Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we are doing an unboxing video. But it's Christmas, so we kind of have to, like it's hard not to. And so this is what we are unboxing today. The Harry Potter Great Hall Lego set. And also, if you guys are good, then we will unbox.
So guys, until recently, you could not get these anywhere because they were just like for a while, you could buy them at the Barnes & Noble near our house, but then they went out of fashion, and for a while you could make a killing on them.
And then for a few years you could not get them. I asked for one of them for Christmas last year, and then this year I finally got what I wanted. Because last year they literally were only making them on Amazon, and I hate getting cheap remakes of Harry Potter sets because it doesn't have very good quality. If you buy cheap remakes off of Amazon. Also, guys, I huge shout out to the Lego company because they did a really good job with the sets. And huge shout out to Mommy EOS and Sissy EOS, who are the people that got this for me.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna take some building.
I think we should check back in after we look into some of the bags, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, see you guys until we finish all of this. Bye.